How to get dragon egg in Minecraft. So first you will need some cobblestones, or a piston, and a lever. So any stone will do it, but I'm just gonna use cobblestone for this video. So now what you want to do is just simply place the cobblestone around the egg right here. So I'm just gonna make a big, basically a big platform around the egg right there. So another one right here. So it should be looking like this. I'm just gonna add one more row right here. So it should be looking like that. Now, once that's done, you will need to get your piston and place it right here facing the egg, just like so. Now, once that's done, get your lever and place it beside the piston and just activate the piston. And as you can see, the egg will be removed from the bedrock, just like so, and you will get the achievement, the next generation. And now you'll see it on your inventory right here, and basically you can just do anything with this egg. It's up to you what you want to do with it. But that's how we basically get dragon egg in Minecraft.